everybody is doing fine. So as you know, summers have started, but that doesn't mean that we only need to take care of the body. We need to take care of the face also. So I thought, why not to share with you some skincare products that I use, and I would suggest all of you to use it. I am not only giving you one option, I'll be giving you 2 to 3 options of each of the stuff what I'm going to show you. And the best part is you can get these stuff in any medical or any general store. Even on Nykaa you can get all this. Nykaa is delivering the essentials now also in this lockdown period. So without wasting further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we do is wash our face, right? So I'm going to show you a few face washes. So I have 3 options. These are the 3 face washes that I have. So this is Clean and Clear face wash. This is good for oily skin and to remove any dirt from the face. It even removes makeup very nicely. The price for this is 130 rupees. It's very good. It will last you around 2 months. And the other one, these two are actually my favorite. This one is the Mamaearth Upton face wash. It actually works like an Upton. It gives you a nice glow on the face, and it enhances your skin texture. It is paraben and SLS free, hypoallergenic, and suits all skin types. So dry skin, oily skin, or combination sensitive, any skin type can use this. This is very good product. The price for this is 250 rupees. Even this one is going to last around 1.5 months. So for 250 rupees, it's good. As it is, you should wash your face twice a day, once in the morning, once at night before sleeping. So this one is a good option. It has turmeric and saffron, good for your skin. You can see my skin. I really like using this. See, the tub is also a bit empty. The other one which I like is this. This is the Garnier Light Complete Fairness face wash. Yeah, Fairness face wash. It has Yuzu lemon essence. Lemon is good for your skin brightening and lightening. And the price for this is 160 rupees. But this packaging, I recently bought it from a medical. See, there's a discount going on. You get it for 135 rupees. And if not 135, if you get it for 160 also, guys, you should buy it. This is gonna last you for 4 months. It has a lot of quantity, and secondly, you just need a pea-sized amount of this. It lathers very well on your face. I really love this. Buy a tube of this. You get a smaller size also of this, and you're gonna love it. So these are the face washes. Now the next thing what I'm gonna show you is a serum. Serum is very essential for your skin. People always think that serum is a secondary part, but no, you need to use a serum or an essence in your skin. It penetrates deep into your skin and it gives you that moisturizing, hydrating, glowing, brightening, a lot of effects on your face. It is very good for your skin pores. It's good for your dull and dry or oily or whatever kind of skin you have. So here I have is these two. So first I'm going to tell you about this. This is the Good Vibes Plus. This is a serum, face serum. This is with tea tree plus mulberry oil control and skin glowing serum. This thing you're not gonna get it in medical. There's a shopping site, an online site named purple.com. You can download an app of it, and this is exclusively available only on Purple. And all the product, guys, trust me, of this brand are brilliant, very budget friendly and very good for your skin, body, hair. A lot of products are there. You can go and check it out on Purple. The price for this is, it is for 275 rupees, which is a good buy for 10 ml. This can also last you for around 20 to 25 days if you use it day and night, both time. And if you only use it at night, it's gonna last you around 1.5 months. You just need 2 to 3 drops, and then you have to massage it on your face really well. You should try this. I'll just show you. So it is like this. See, I really like this kind of packaging. The next thing that I have is this. I have a whole review a detailed review on this, the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. It penetrates 10 layers deep in your skin, so you can understand if it is going 10 layers deep in your skin, that means it's doing something on your skin, it's working on your skin. I have been using this for around 4 to 5 months it's been, and it is really working on my skin. I have got a nice complexion, and just wanted to tell you, now also I have not applied anything on my face. You can see there's nothing on my face, only I have applied lipstick. So this is my natural skin after using all these products only. I keep on changing my products, but at least I try using one product for a month, so that I get to know that it is working or not working. Even you should try it out. This is for 65 ml, and what you have to do is you just have to take, I'll just show you, it is like this. So you have to pour 3 to 4 drops, you don't have to rub it, pour, do it like this, and then just pat it in your skin really well. And this came around 695 or 700 rupees I got this for. A bit affordable side, but it's very nice. So the serums, essence and face washes is done. Now the next part what we do is moisturize your skin, whether it be, see, dry skin people, they need moisturization, right? But there are few oily skin girls or guys, they think that, you know, we have an oily skin, why do we use a moisturizer? No, it's not like that. Every skin type really needs a moisturizer for your face, for your skin, be it oily, be it dry, or combination or sensitive. There's moisturizer for all the skin types. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this. Now everybody might be knowing this. This is the Patanjali aloe vera gel. This can work as a really great moisturizer for your face, especially for the oily skin people. It's gonna work wonders on your skin. There are some people who really don't like using a bit also of a heavy moisturizer, so this is good for you. It's not necessary that you use this one only. If you have any aloe vera gel, you can go for it, guys. You can make it as a moisturizer. You don't have to do anything. You just have to take a pea-sized amount, put it on your face, and then you're all good to go. So I got this for, I'll just see the price, I cannot see it. Okay, so this is for 90 bucks. 90 bucks you get a huge quantity. You can see half is almost used. This is a good moisturizer. Then again I have this one. This is the Garnier Light Complete Serum Cream. If you don't get serums in a medical or online, you can buy only this cream. This works as a serum and as a moisturizer both. The price for this is really affordable and really cheap. It's for 70 bucks. Not even 70, I think it's for 69 bucks, but it's a very good buy. You should go for this. This small packaging you can try, 69 rupees you can waste, guys, of yours, and not even waste, it's gonna work wonders on your skin. You can try it out once. You get a big packaging also of it, but I would suggest you to first buy a small one. Now I want to show you another option for a moisturizer. Is this is the most loved one of mine, be it summer or winter. It was just gonna drop from my hand, it's alright. So be it summer or winter, you can use this moisturizer. This is the Pond's Superlight Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This moisturizer and this one, this is what, yeah, this is the Garnier one. It's not necessary that only oily skin girls can use it. Even dry skin girls can use it. It's good for your skin also, and it's going to do, really it's going to give you good benefits for your skin. It is for all seasons, for all skin types, formulated by the Pond's Institute. Super light, super duper light. You know, it's actually like water like consistency. You put it and you're all good to go. You'll feel so good. Whenever I apply it, I really feel very nice. And this I got around, yeah, this is for 300 rupees, but the same thing, for the 300 rupees you're getting a very big packaging. This also I have a total review on my YouTube channel. You can go and check, Lifestyle with Shaz, a whole review on this product. I love it. So moisturizers are done. Now I wanted to tell you the main part, be it summers or winters or rainy or autumn or whatever it is, these are the must. Sunscreen. You be it in the house, you be out, wherever you are, you need to apply at least a pea-sized amount of sunscreen on your face. It protects you from UVA and UVB rays. So the first one I have is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun 3-in-1 Matte Look Daily Sun Protection. Skin lightening, mattifying, SPF 40 PA+++. So it's very good, and the best part is it has a little tint. So sometimes when you don't feel like applying any BB CC cream or any foundation, you can go for it. It's very good product. This I got for 395 rupees. Sometimes when you are buying it online, you get a bit discount on this. You can surely try this, and this is also for all skin types and tinted. It's written over here, it is tinted. It's very good. I really like this. And this is always the most favorite of all the people out there. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50. With Helioplex Broad Spectrum, Spectrum UVA, UVB, PA, again +++, ultralight. It doesn't have that thick consistency, neither that thin consistency. It's good, and this is something whenever you go out, you apply this. It works wonder. 50 plus SPF means what, guys? Come on. This is small one. You can try the small one. The small one also I got for around 199, 200 rupees. This is the big one. I had the big one, but I just finished it, so I had the small one to show you. This I always carry it in my purse. So I have a big and a small both because I really like it. And the Lotus one, whenever I don't feel like applying any makeup, I use that. This is also for all skin types. Dermatologist tested, so you can even try it. So we are all done. Now we come to lip balms. Now here I have two. One is the Nivea. You all know how much I am in love with this. This is for around 200 only. I don't remember the exact price of this, 200 or something, 220. But this is nice. I have the pomegranate shine flavor. Smells like pomegranate, smells like heaven. And this is the Namya. This is lip serum. You can use it at night, in the afternoon, or in the day. It is basically a lip serum, but can work as a, what do we call it, a lip balm. Yeah, right, I just forgot. A lip balm. This is for 240 rupees. It is all natural, advanced brightening therapy. Who have pale, dark, pigmented, dull and all those kind of lips, they can use it. First, what I would suggest you, first apply it at night, go to sleep for at least for 15 days. You see the effects. If it is suiting you, then what you can do is once or twice a day, and even at night you can apply it. It's surely gonna give you result. When I was expecting, when I got Kiara, after that my lips had become very dark, pigmented and rough and dry. So I bought this and I started using it, and it actually works on the lips. It's very good. Something really works on the lips. I had wasted a lot of money on so many products, but nothing was working. But this is the thing that really works. So you can try it out. The most important thing, the most important part, after washing your face, you have to apply a toner. I just forgot about telling you about the toners, the benefits of the toners. So I have this toner. As of now, the other bottle of mine, the other toner is finished and I threw the bottle. So that is why I have only this one left, Biotic Bio Cucumber Toner. This is for 175 rupees. It's a very good buy. Pore tightening toner with Himalayan waters. It is for normal skin people also and for oily skin people also. This is very good. And for dry skin people or oily skin, whatever it is, if you don't have this, everybody has rose water in their house. You can after washing your face, you can apply rose water on your face. Even that works same as a toner. So I have that thing and this also. Now see, this is very less left. You can see it's only this much. This gets over and the lockdown doesn't get over, I'm gonna start using my gulab jal, gulabari rose water, which I already have it in my fridge. I always like using thanda gulab jal, and I really get that soothing effect. Sometimes whenever I do a facial or a cleanup, I prefer applying only the gulab jal on my face. Now I even have, this is optional, but I wanted to share with you, that is why this is the under eye gel from Blossom Pocher Aroma Magic. Lightens and refreshes your eyes. Somebody who has puffiness in your eyes, if you have dark circles here and there, you can apply this daily at night while going to sleep. This is also good. This is for 195 rupees. It's very good buy. If you want to use this, you can go for it. If you want to try affordable eye cream for your dark circles or under eyes, you can surely go for this. For the scrub, my all-time favorite, papaya gel scrub. You can see herbals, K-Ron Herbals papaya gel scrub, enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants. Papaya is very good to exfoliate your skin. You can use this scrub. You can even use homemade DIYs with sugar or coffee or lemon, mixed in it. If you want, you can comment down below. I will surely show you some DIY scrubs also what you can make at home. The price for this is 280 rupees. Not bad. Such big box you are getting. So it is surely gonna last you around 5 to 6 months. Yeah, 5 to 6 months. You should always scrub your face around 2 to 3 times a week or every alternate days. It removes all the blackheads, whiteheads, oiliness, dirt, dead skin, dullness and everything from your face. That is why I always keep this in my washroom whenever I am having a bath. Every alternate day when I wash my hair, I use this scrub to get a nice glow on my face. So this is the scrub. Now for the face mask. So you can see the review of Mamaearth Upton face mask. The bottle is finished. I don't have it right now. I have this one. This is the Aztec Secret Health and Beauty Indian Healing Clay. It's very good for your face, especially for oily skin girls. It is bentonite clay, so it is very good for your face. This I got for this is for 1440 rupees. So 1440 but still it is affordable because you get such a big bottle. It's gonna last you for a year, and this you only have to use it once a week. Listen to me guys really carefully, only once a week you need to use it. So you see, it is affordable in that way. Only one time purchase this is for 1440 rupees. Not bad at all. Bentonite clay, I really love this. Whenever my skin is feeling, if I have got any acne or pimple problem, I always think of using this. And the best way to use this is you mix a teaspoon of this with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very good to cleanse out the dirt from your face. The second mask that I have is a sheet mask. Now this is from Spaway, and any sheet mask you get, sheet mask has a lot of serum, so especially I prefer using it at night. I really like using sheet mask to pamper my skin. So you got sheet masks of Garnier, Nykaa, Face Shop, Body Shop, Spaway, a lot of varieties you have. And the best part is that sheet mask what we all get online, from 100 rupees to 200 rupees maximum you're gonna get one sheet mask. One sheet mask you can use it once, but the benefits of this sheet mask is really nice. Now the next thing that I'm gonna show you are the night creams. Night creams are also an essential part for your skincare. When you apply day creams, the night creams are also good, especially when you go to sleep. The night cream are on a bit heavier side, but they do magic on your skin whole night. When you're not going out, you're sleeping, it penetrates deep into your skin. It does its work of lightening, brightening and hydrating your skin and all that stuff. So here again I have, so now you can see this tub. Garnier Light Complete whole range I have. I'm so much in love with that because it is the most affordable product, and if I don't get any other product in the medical, I'll surely get the Garnier one. That is why I have kept this as my favorite, so that whenever anything gets emptied, I am surely gonna use this only. So here I have Garnier Light Complete Yogurt Night Cream. Yogurt is also good for your skin. This I got for 110 rupees. This is small packaging. You can try it out once. This is also for all skin types, and the smell of this, guys, I cannot tell you how fantastic the smell is. You're gonna love it. You can try the small packaging of this, and then later if you really like it, you can go for the bigger ones. The third one I'm seeing. The second option that I have is, this is the, yeah, this is the L'Oreal Paris White Perfect Night Cream. I got this for around 350 rupees something. It has a glass packaging, I think. This is also a bit thick consistency. You just see the color of it. So nice. Half is already empty. I really like using this. You can also go for this product. And the last thing that I wanted to share with you all is, you know, you're taking care of the face skin, fantastic. You need to take care of the body skin too. You need to take care of your body also. So I thought I'll share with you my body lotion that I use in summers, which works as a body lotion and as a sunscreen as well. And it is this. This is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Anti-Tan Body Lotion Silky Smooth Care. It has SPF 25. It is with aloe vera extracts with vitamin B3 and E. And the best part is it is for all skin types. In summers, you can try this out, guys. It has a nice packaging. I really like the packaging of this. And the price for this is only 245 rupees. It's gonna last you for 1.5 or 2 months if you apply it on your whole body. I really like applying the lotion on my whole body. So these are all the things. And secondly, what I want to tell you, take care of your skin. Do not necessarily touch your face or your, with your fingers. Always wash your hands. Bring plenty of water, at least 8 glasses of water a day to get that glowing body and skin. Secondly, you need to have proteins, carbs. You need to have a lot of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Don't depend on dietary products or oily food. What we eat, don't depend on that. Once in a blue moon it's fine, but daily eating all that stuff is not good. So these are all the products and all the tips that I wanted to share with you all. I hope this video was helpful for you. You all do try any of the product, whichever you like it once, and do let me know in the comment section below if you like the products or no. And if you want to know any other thing, any other review, if you want on any product or any DIYs or any recipe, please do comment me below so that I can make a video on that. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.